traders, take a look at the market this morning. This is where Dow is this morning. This is very dangerous market. Why? We're at alpha Fibonacci resistance. So trader who understands how crucial this resistance is, how crucial this historical high is, knows it's an incredibly aggressive trade. Here is a trade. We are at historical high, correct? But as I said, for the last 13 months, institutions keep buying every single pullback. So this is critical moment on this trade. As trade is flying, correct? As expected. We're discussing with students all the pros and cons on this trade. Institutions continue buying historical highs. Institutions have zero problems with that. You, as intelligent trader, must know the difference, world of difference between yesterday morning that was stunning and flawless versus this morning. This was Dow yesterday at flawless support. This is Dow now at historical high. Conservative intelligent trader understands the difference between buying here versus buying here. Between buying here post-event with Iran, there was flawless institutional start of bullish rally that's currently 10,000 points in from 28,100 to 29,100. That's phenomenal. No sellers here. So when this trade reaches alpha Fibonacci target, intelligent trader knows historical high with the help of software. Adjust your stop very, very closely. Take the profits off the table because we are at institutional resistance this morning. Absolutely no sellers here. So this is a very powerful reason why I made this level so bright pink. An intelligent trader who looking in the markets and seeing no synchronicity knows extremely well. You can never, ever ignore this level if you choose to buy this high. Since trading room been reopened since January 6th, every single trade reaches alpha Fibonacci targets. And that's ultimate precision and ultimate power, even on one of the most challenging mornings on record. Intelligent trader trailing carefully. Critical moment on S&P. Software showing you with a bright red line. This moment will determine markets for the rest of the day. No speculation here. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. You never need anything else, ever. No matter if you trade Apple monthly, Pound daily, Amazon weekly, identical precision applies. No random stops, no random targets. All precise. Trail placed in perfect place. Software showing you that. And while we're waiting on Dow, let's take a look on institutional chart, shall we? This is your day trading chart. If I convert this chart to 515, any chart you choose to trade, identical accuracy will apply. This is a market this morning. Nothing in common between market this morning versus market yesterday morning. I agree? If I convert this chart to 15, identical accuracy remains. Simple. Do not overcomplicate the markets. If I take a look on institutional chart, am I seeing any shorts? Zero. Intelligent trader knows that. This week, markets reminding you, phenomenal opportunity to buy at institutional support. Bullish rally in progress with historical highs. Intelligent trader been only buying this market as institutional traders I work with have done since December 2018 on all US index futures, S&P, NQ, and Dow. This morning, we're in very different place. This morning, this trade keep moving in the right direction. Even at historical high, trail is in perfect place. What is this trade showing you time and time again? You do not need many trades. All you need is quality. All you need is confidence in strategy you trade. Despite historical high. This trade right now, 15 points on Dow. This is everything for the rest of the day. As long as this support respected, buyers remain in charge. Trail in perfect place. So again, software identified that this is critical moment in the market, correct? Everyone clear on this? We are at historical high. The place to exit the long, not to enter the long. And that's a world of difference between market this morning versus market yesterday morning, when it gave you stunning opportunity on any chart you trade to buy at support. World of difference between here versus here. Agree? Zero price for entry, Fibonacci for exit. Nothing else is needed, ever. This is it. Intelligent trader, every single month, adds a lot size. Not chasing the trades, not speculating. If you're trading Dow, your workday 95% of the time, less than 30 minutes. So this is what every single day of trading is all about, your mindset. So 95% of traders unfortunately operate as cats, chasing the market, speculating, grabbing points. I do not have any interest working with cats. I only have interest working with lions. Those who strategize and know how to execute, taking down perfect trade. All about your mindset. And that's what you witness in the trading room every single day. 95% operate as cats, broker's favorite client. Brilliant, intelligent trader operate as lions. Which one are you? Ask yourself that question. It's all in your mindset. First time in years, trading room is open for subscription traders for a limited time only. So if you would like to witness the power of Alpha Fibonacci trading system on consistent basis, without waiting for invitation, as those are absolutely randomly selected by my team, I highly encourage you to sign up, and you can be in the trading room Monday through Thursday. Again, only for the next 2 months. For the previous few years, trading room had been open only to Alpha Fibonacci trading system members. And if you're serious about trading because you understand that being a follower never a recipe for success, simply you have opportunity to become a lion. Choose from 4 options. 3 months of live recorded classes. I teach live every single day. Monday and Thursday classes recorded. 6 months private mentoring includes all group classes. All you have to do, make an effort. Proven by graduates all over the world in 56 countries who operate as lions. If complete beginner trader can do it, so can you. If trader who've been trying for 20 years can do it, so can you. Option traders, forex traders, stock traders, traders of any and every kind do it all over the world. And that's black and white. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Nothing else is needed ever. Choice is yours. What you choose to trade. Questions? Pick up the phone and call. But first, make an effort. Review the information on the website. If you are a lion, you will certainly do so, because you are not driven by instant gratification. You are driven by quality trading. And that's constantly addressed in the course. Choice is yours.